everyone, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to do the intro outside because it's pretty. I will say it's hot as though, so for those of you who don't know, I live in Virginia. It's supposed to be like 100 degrees the next couple days, so that's less than ideal. I'm trying to spend the least amount of time outside, but just one of my little Dunkin' runs. Got a workout in, I read the news. I definitely woke up a little bit later than I was hoping. I was originally gonna get up around 9ish, but I actually went to bed early last night at 1, which for me is pretty early, honestly. But then I couldn't fall asleep till like 3:30, so I got up at like 10 this morning. You wouldn't let me lose some, I tried. Today's video is going to be a productive vlog because you guys love these videos. I love to make them too because they make me more productive. I actually made a to-do list last night of all the things that I think I want to get done today. The only thing that I'm unsure about / is subject to change is filming a video. Really want to film my video for Sunday because I might be out of town Tuesday through Friday. Today and tomorrow it's supposed to be 100 degrees and our AC isn't working that great and my room gets really hot anyways, so I'm like, I don't know if I want to do that. We will see how it goes. I just moved out of my apartment a couple days ago, I guess 2 days ago now, and I got all the stuff out of my car, but I still have some stuff in the garage, like furniture, but also like IKEA bags and stuff that just never made it upstairs, so I need to move some of that upstairs. I'm still in my sweaty workout clothes because I know I'm gonna get more sweaty doing this, so I'm gonna do that probably right now. Don't really want to do that, but if you guys like videos like this, definitely give this a thumbs up and subscribe down below. I make new videos every Sunday, and recently I've been uploading every Wednesday and Sunday till probably the end of summer. I'll keep doing that. And once school's back, I'll just do Sundays because, God, that's just enough as it is. So I think right now it's like 95 out here, so I'm gonna go in. I hope you enjoy the video. This Dunkin' is also slapping. The worker there this morning was so nice. I've actually never seen him before. Maybe he's new, maybe he just works a different shift than I usually go. But I had like a full-on conversation. Like, he kept me at the window and I was like, I want to keep talking to you. Gotta keep it moving, you know what I mean? Okay, so this is my garage. Actually a 3-car garage, but we haven't had a car in here since 2011, 2012 because we just have so much stuff in here. My mom's gonna kill me that I showed you guys this. We have our little ping pong table with all of our Corona gear. In the event of an apocalypse, like, we are ready. Here's like all my stuff that I have to deal with. I think this is gonna stay out here just because I'm going to try and bring it back to school. I don't have any measurements for the Kyo room, so I really am just going in blind. This I should honestly bring upstairs because this is my desk chair, which I'm also bringing to Kyo, but this desk chair goes with my desk upstairs, so this, I'll probably bring that too. And then all of this stuff is like actual things. I'm gonna bring that upstairs. That nightstand I'm gonna actually put in my room and replace it with that 2-cube cubicle. These are also just more things, so like these definitely need to go inside. Headboard staying out here. I don't have a purpose for that inside. And then I have my 3-cube cubicle, which I guess I could use maybe in my room. I'm trying to think. I feel like I could find some use for this. And then the desk and the rug and the dresser are staying out here. The dresser is actually going in my brother Connor's room because a lot of his furniture is white and he needs more storage. His dresser is super old, so that's not a today thing though. We're not doing that. I think right now what I'm gonna do is go downstairs and grab all the stuff out of the garage. Might recruit Jack to help me with that. That'd be so great. And then I'll probably start organizing it. I'm gonna call Liv back because she was busy earlier. We FaceTimed for like 10 minutes and then she had to go do something and I was going to Dunkin', so worked out. Also, if you guys are wondering why it's like dark in here, once again, like I said before, our AC hasn't been working super great. My room is usually pretty hot anyways, even with the door open and the circulation. It's just not the greatest in my room. I don't know why. I also get very hot very easily. So I keeping my blinds closed all day just so that that can prevent as much sunlight from coming in as possible. And honestly, the lighting's still pretty good in here without that, so. But yeah, I need to start getting the stuff up here. I lost it. So like, oh no, cracked a shell. I can't say this is my best look right now, but you know, we're making some progress. It is hot as heck in here. I only have one light on to provide some lighting, but also, you know, keep it nice and cool in here. I've had the fan going. I put my nightstand from school over there. That's gonna permanently live there, and I push my bed over a little bit. This is here right now, mostly because I don't really know what to do with it. It's not my favorite, but also place for the Keurig, place for this, and then in here, I think I'm gonna put all the stuff that I don't need. It's just gonna go straight back to school so that that's all dealt with. Might reconfigure a little bit in my closet because I haven't put away all of my clothes yet. Where are those? Over there, over there. Yeah, just like a lot of stuff. Like, where am I gonna put this? I really don't know. I'm just at a loss right now. I mean, I don't think I could fit them next to each other there, but definitely could try it. This stuff is like all mostly school stuff that I haven't needed. It's just like stuff I've had at school, so honestly it begs the question whether I even need it next year if I didn't need it right now. Mostly just random stuff. I'm also, this bin, this was in my nightstand, but all the stuff in here is just like random stuff that I don't want anymore, and I don't really know how to get rid of it, so that's there. I just need to deal with all of this. Same with this too. I also filled up my K-cup holder, my little basket that I have, just because I might start making coffee in here again, and even if I don't, I'm going to literally use this basket again next year for the exact same reason. So it's already in there. Keurig, haven't used it in a minute, but once again, gotta keep it. I think I might take a quick little break because I'm really hot, I'm really sweaty, and I need to like think about what's happening in here because I'm just overwhelmed. Hello, I took a little bit of a break, but now I've turned off all the lights because I'm just still sweating. Also, that's why I never showered after my workout, because like I just knew I was gonna be so sweaty doing this. Also, I've made the executive decision I'm definitely not filming today because it's just way too hot for that. And also, I've kind of dug myself a hole here, kind of might have found a solution to all this. Right now, this is what it's looking like surrounding me because I just took out all the bags here. This bin has always been down here, and that's where I like keep all my bags, but they are kind of scattered throughout. So I'm actually thinking of redoing my closet a little bit right now and just like reconfiguring everything so that it makes more sense. So I'm actually gonna put all these bins down here. One, because this I feel like could be good real estate for stuff I can actually like more easily reach up here, because like I'm 5'8" and this is probably like 5'10" maybe, so like really not that high up, and I reach for this a lot that has like clothes and stuff in it. Put those down there, and then maybe even stack stuff on top of it because I have all of these bags that I want to put away, and also I don't need all those bags. I just really need like the duffels and stuff. And then maybe start to separate out all of this stuff. I don't know. I've also started to make a pile of stuff to sell slash donate. I don't know like which one is which and all that, but that could be good to just, I need to like get rid of a bunch of stuff. I've been really thinking about this lately, but if you guys don't know, I'm living in my sorority house next year, or in like a month, so next semester, you know what I mean. And it's 3 of us in one room, and it's just simply, there's not a lot of storage. So you guys know organization master me, just kidding, but you guys know how much I like organization, and you can only be but so organized when you just have a ton of crap. So I'm gonna mess around with that, put on a couple time lapses. You guys have been putting off cleaning yourself, take this as your sign to go do it. Clean with me. Yeah, it's gonna be fun. I put my hair up in a higher bun, put on some hoops. I feel like that gives me more character right now. So I'm taking a break right now. I look crazy. I changed into this really big shirt because I just didn't want to be in that white one any longer. This is my outfit. You know, I really thought I was doing something when I put this on, but now that I have it on, yeah, not so cute. This is still a wreck. I need some food, so I'm going to go grab some Panera. This is what the closet looks like right now. I have a ton of empty space up here. I have another air mattress to put up there. A ton of other stuff that I could potentially put up there. This is pretty much taken care of. This is all like my memories and stuff. Same stuff back here. I actually got rid of a couple things though. Those are sitting over in the corner. I'm either gonna donate or sell. Need to deal with those separately. I put all my like duffel bags and stuff back there. Those are actually way more accessible now. That's great. Honestly, I just don't have the motivation to deal with this right now. I've been definitely procrastinating doing this. Like I ate my Panera. Just been on TikTok, as I do. Okay, so I have all this stuff down here, and I'm just gonna take it all out of the bag so I can see what I'm working with, and then I'll get to organizing. already hot and sweating thinking about it, but I'm trying to get as much done as possible because I'm actually hanging out with my best friend Ashley tonight. She lives across the street from me and I haven't seen her in like 2 weeks. Probably gonna hang around 8:30 tonight, I'm thinking, so I'm trying to get this done ASAP. I need to move on from this. Like, this does not need to be taking up my entire day. If nothing else, I just want to consolidate it. It's definitely going to be a little bit messier in here than usual, but I'm just gonna have to live like that for a month until I go back to school.
I've been on my way.
Hopefully you guys can't hear my fan in the background, but it's just so hot in here that it's on. I'm pretty much done. It's definitely like not as like organized as it could be, but also I just have so much stuff that I definitely need to go through everything. Like, look at this. This is insane over here. This is all stuff I will say that I'm donating, so that is all gonna go away, but I just put it all in there. These are all things that I want to sell/donate to, so I guess these two could be on. This is staying here. It's my scrap bin with a bunch of stuff that I don't need right now, but I know is going back to school with me. So hopefully I can get rid of these two bins within this week. And then right now, this little cubicle thing's here, holding all my blankets at the moment. I'm actually about to go grab a trash bag to empty my trash here in my bathroom and kind of like actually clean. I also need to fold my laundry. My sheets and stuff are still in the dryer. I need to dry them for a little bit longer, so why they're not on there. And then this is one big bag of a bunch of IKEA bags. As you can see, I have like stuff stuffed everywhere. It turns out I can't be bothered to fold my laundry because I am tired and I am so sweaty. I'm just gonna sit here. Right now it's like 7:30 and I'm just going to import all the clips that I've filmed so far. I have up to about when I started this morning, probably around like 1 p.m. So I'm gonna import the rest of the clips now and start rough cutting, maybe? I don't know. I don't know when we're eating dinner either, so I take a break for that, but yeah. I guess I can probably open the blinds now since it's basically dark outside. It's been a long day with the blinds closed all day, but I just changed. I can show you guys my outfit real quick. Super glam. My hair's a little wet on the edges because I didn't wash my hair, but I washed my face, so it really just kind of got all these pieces wet. But I just took a body shower. I exfoliated, just feel a lot cleaner now. Just wearing these tie-dye shorts that I have literally been obsessed with. I can't get enough of them. They're from Target, and so is this little bralette thing. It comes to about like here. It's kind of just like a long line bralette, definitely not high impact or anything. I don't know why I felt the need to show you guys that. Definitely not high impact for my bigger chest girls, but great for lounging around in. And then over top, I'm just wearing this Free People top, the one I wear literally every day of my entire life. So I don't even know what it's called. I've tried to find other ones, but I can't. So if you guys know what these are called, let me know. Anyways, I responded to some DMs, as you guys saw. I haven't actually rough cutted any of this footage yet, so I definitely feel like I've had a pretty productive day so far. I'm going to head over to Ashley's now. We're just gonna hang out for a little bit. She's my only friend that I've been allowed to see during quarantine, and we see each other outside and 6 feet apart. Well, actually more than that. I actually take that back. I'm going to see Liv in a week or so in Virginia Beach, but that will be a later vlog.